Justice Yusuf Halilu promised at the last sitting to deliver ruling in the application filed by the aide-de-camp to former President Goodluck Jonathan, Colonel Emmanuel Adegbe, challenging the breach of his fundamental rights for his continued detention without a charge. In his ruling, Justice Yusuf Halilu said that no organ of government has the right to carry out its responsibility in total disregard of the law. According to him, the act of keeping Colonel Adegbe for more than the constitutionally recognized time frame is unlawful. He said the EFCC ought to confine itself to its statutory responsibility of fighting corruption rather than serving as a holding cell for the Nigerian military. According to him, a situation where a suspect is perpetually kept in custody at the whims and caprices of the anti-graft agency is against the law. As such, he ordered that the anti-graft agency release Colonel Adegbe until it is ready to charge him to court. The court, however, turned down the request to compel the EFCC to offer a public apology and also pay him 100 million naira in damages.
From the ruling of the court this morning, it has been very clear that the rights of my clients have been breached by this detention. The court said that he has been detained illegally and unconstitutionally, that he is entitled to be released immediately on very liberal terms for the bail. That's what the court said. And the court also said that EFCC is not an appendage of the Nigerian Army, that EFCC cannot be a detention center for the Nigerian Army. Whether he detained by the Nigerian Army or EFCC is entitled to be released immediately. That's the ruling of the court, and we are happy at the time like that the court has risen to the occasion to speak for those that cannot speak for themselves, to fight for those that cannot fight for themselves. And we are happy today because justice has been done. We expect EFCC to obey this ruling of the court.
It is not clear who is holding Colonel Emmanuel Adegbe, whether it is the EFCC or the Nigerian Army. But according to the court, the case for which he is being investigated is a civil matter, and there is no reason for the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission to keep holding him without charging him to court. It therefore ordered that he be released immediately until such a time when the anti-graft agency is ready to charge him to court. Amaka Okafo, Channels Television News.